Hello and welcome to God's BGH. This is our goddess Nana Ama McBrown, and I just could not, I'm obsessed about this girl, so I just couldn't wait to show you the beautiful dresses that she's continuously putting out on Instagram today, because today is her birthday, her big day. 46 years old. She's looking stunning, classic, chic, and young. Oh my, she is just giving us everything that we've been waiting for and everything that she represents. She epitomizes fashion. She's goddess. She's everything. I mean, let's enjoy. And today, a day like today, she heads out with Kobiche to charitable events, to do the good for the people. And kudos to her, because she's doing quite a lot. Behind everything that you see, the controversies on Instagram, on social media and everything, she's doing quite a lot for society. So we should appreciate, and today we should really celebrate and be grateful and enjoy this beautiful day with her. Thank you so much for sharing your photos with us and letting us also be part of your beautiful day. Happy birthday, Empress. Happy birthday. Don't forget the hashtag 46 and gorgeous. Her Excellency Nanama McBrown. Gorgeous, gorgeous indeed. Gorgeous and gorgeous. Don't forget to watch my other video that shows the creative talent behind all these dresses that you're seeing. Okay? Don't forget. Make sure you subscribe. You ring notification bell so that all the videos that I upload, you will be one of the first people to receive any. And also share and comment. Share, no one comments here, because comments are not every day.